guys, welcome back to my super random channel. Today's random video of the day that has nothing to do with anything on my channel is how to make Chinese fried shrimp balls. So if you'd like to see how to make Chinese fried shrimp balls, then just keep watching. It's super easy. You just blend up the shrimp, steam it, and then fry it. So this is another addition to my super random videos on my channel. I have no theme, and I just felt like posting this today, so that's what you get. If you want to see how these very easy shrimp balls were made, then keep watching. First of all, I take any kind of shrimp and I remove the tails. So just remove the tails and then put it in a blender. Once you've removed all the tails from the shrimp, you can go ahead and blend the shrimp. So I'm gonna use my Ninja blender. So I would say that I used about half the bag of the Kirkland shrimp here, so maybe like 20 shrimp. You can kind of put as much as you want. It's not so specific. Then once you've blended the shrimp, the next step is that you're gonna put 3 pressed garlic cloves, some salt, some white pepper, about 2 spoons of fish sauce, and then you're gonna put about 1/4 to half a cup of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. And then you'll get some green onions, and you usually just use the white part, but I actually don't have any green onions right now, so I'm gonna be using the green parts. 1 spoon, 2 spoons of fish sauce. And I'm gonna put a bit of white pepper. I think that's enough. Then I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. So that's here. I'm gonna use about half a cup. You can use half to 1/4 cup depending on the consistency of cornstarch. So I have half a cup here. You can mix this in a bowl, but I'm just gonna keep blending it for now. And then I'm gonna blend it again. Green onion, you're supposed to put only the white part, and these look really tiny because they're from my garden, but I don't have any actual ones from the store right now. So I'm just gonna put some green onion in there just for the flavor. So the next step is actually, I decided I'm just gonna put it in the bowl because it's easier. So I'm gonna dump this in the bowl while I'm letting my pot of water simmer. I just have some water in there and I'm waiting for it to heat up so I could steam these before I fry them. Once it's nice and mixed, you're actually just gonna make little balls. And make sure you don't make them too big because they actually expand. And then you're gonna place them nicely to steam. I'm doing this with one hand, so that's why it's complicated. So I'm gonna do the rest later. I'm gonna steam these ones first for a couple minutes. Now while that's heating up, you're just gonna heat up your oil here. I have some oil that I just used because I just fried some tilapia fish. So you're gonna let this heat up, and then when it heats up, we're gonna take them from there and we're gonna put them in here, fry them for a little bit, and then we're gonna put them here. So I just got a plate with some paper towel on it to absorb the excess oil. So you can kind of see they start to get bigger and they turn a little bit more pink. So when this is ready, we'll start putting them in here to fry them. Okay, so they look good for now. So I'm gonna use this little hot pot thing. You can use anything to get them out, whatever you think. So once they're kind of nice and pink and they look like they've expanded, you're actually gonna put them right in here. And you're gonna begin to fry them. And while that's frying, I'm gonna put more of these to steam. It's so easy, I can actually do it with one hand. So you're gonna fry them in here for a couple minutes until they get nice and golden, and then we're just gonna put them here to absorb. And then as you can see, I've served it with a little bit of rice. This is usually a side dish, so hopefully you have other food to accompany this. So this is what they look like here. So these are the Chinese shrimp balls. Also, I put the link down below for the Ninja blender that I'm using. So if you want to see which blender I was using in this video, then just click the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Just a little disclaimer, I actually follow a ketogenic diet, and this has flour and cornstarch, so I actually can't eat these. I've eaten them in the past, and I make them for my boyfriend all the time. But I'll maybe make a ketogenic version of these shrimp fish balls at some point. But just to let you know, I'm doing a 5-day fast right now, and I'm gonna post that video later since I'm documenting that as well to see my progress on my 5-day water fast. So if you like that, then just subscribe to my channel, and then next time I post my 5-day fast video, you'll get a little beep or a notification. I'm not sure how they notify you, but okay, thanks for watching. Bye.